Before we end up this chapter, there are few important topics or few important concepts that I should make you aware about running in the integrated marketing communication under advertising agencies chapter. So the first is direct marketing agencies. One of the fastest growing areas of IMC is direct marketing, where companies communicate with consumers through telemarketing, direct mail, television, the internet, and the other forms of direct response advertising. As this industry has grown, numerous direct response agencies have evolved that offer companies their specialized skills in both consumer and business market. There is a list of specialized services. We have direct marketing agencies, which we have seen. We have sales promotion agency. We have public relation firms, and we have digital marketing or interactive agencies. Sales promotion agency. Sales promotion agencies are agencies which help them to develop and administer those programs. Some large ad agencies have created their own sales promotion department and or acquired a sales promotion firm. However, most sales promotion agencies are independent companies that specialize in providing the services needed to plan, develop, and execute a variety of sales promotion programs. Public relation firms. The public relation firms develops and implements programs to manage the organization's publicity, image, and affairs with consumers and other relevant publics, including employees, suppliers, stockholders, government, labor group, citizen action groups, and the general public. Interactive or digital agencies. Many marketers are using digital or interactive agencies that specialize in the development and strategic use of various digital marketing tools, such as websites for the internet, banner ads, search engine optimization, mobile marketing, and social media campaigns. Collateral services. This include marketing research companies, package designing firms, consultants, photographers, graphic design companies, talent agencies, video production houses, and event marketing services companies. So, with this, we end up with the chapter of the advertising agencies under integrated marketing communication subject.